Now, so can you fill us in on what else is going on in the world of Derrick Jensen that we can look forward to in the coming years?
Well, in a year from now, it's set to come out next spring. I've got a book that I just finished maybe a month or two ago on human supremacism, which I think is the one of the biggest problems the world faces. That's part of the root of this is this belief that humans are separate from and superior to everybody else. And almost all of the means by which we judge that humans are superior are tautological, in that we will come up with something that humans do, declare that's a means that's how you know that someone is superior, and then what do you know? We are actually superior. And most of them are either nonsense or simply not true anyway. A great example, very short, is that they say humans are intelligent because we have big brains. And it's like, well, actually there's creatures with a lot bigger brains than we have. And, whales and walruses have brains almost as big as we do. But it's like, oh, no, the important thing is brain size to body mass ratio. Well, the problem with that is humans have a brain size to body mass ratio of about 2.5%, which is about the same as it is for mice. And migratory songbirds have larger. The largest brain size to body mass ratio that I know of, in the animal kingdom at least, is shrews at about 10%. So it's so funny to just throw this stuff out and see the human supremacists. Then they will just say, well, obviously brain size to body mass ratio is not the important thing. It's a moving target. As soon as you come up with, or like plants are amazing. There are these people who are, human people, who are developing dictionaries of plant languages because plants speak through using chemical signals. Instead of speaking like we do, they send out chemical signals that say, hey, some caterpillars are chewing on me. You might want to prepare your leaves for when the caterpillars get there. And they send this out to different plants. It's really cool. So that book is about just trying to undercut all of our notion of how we are fundamentally superior and separate, and just recognize that everybody has intelligence. Everybody is, and all these intelligences are vastly different. They think completely different things, and it's just absurd to think that we're the only. It's like there's this. I know we got to wrap up. This is the last thing I'll say. There's this astronomer once. I heard him say, Why do we have to? Somebody asked him, why do we have to explore Mars? He said, because it'll answer that most important question of all, which is, are we all alone? And that question's nuts. Are we all alone? I mean, I see all these. You're only all alone if you think you're separate from everybody, but we're not. That's the thing, is everybody else, their lives are just as valuable to them as mine is to me. And that's one of the things I really want to get across in all my work.